Speaker sir, I was on my legs. Suddenly they raised point of order, so I was sitting. Now, Tugalo point of order, Tegalo point of order, Mugal, I am on the red light here.
Give you chance.
तुगे red light येईल ना, मुगे red light आएगा.
Begin.
Speaker sir, हांगा एक प्रश्न आयला, pipeline घालताय, पूण sewage plant ना. नावेली आमकोड एक पॉइल गायल्लो. आता 3 sewage pipe plant आहे, पूण जे sewage pipe घालताय ती faulty आहे. Faulty असपाक कारण म्हणजे 3 एजन्सी काम करताय. एक जायका, एक कॉर्पोरेशन आणि एक तुमचे सिवरेज डिपार्टमेंट. आता तिन्ही डिपार्टमेंट जी काम करताय देर इज नो कोऑर्डिनेशन. मोदेंच जे बाब आमगे लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन सांगला म्हजे मतदारसंघात completely network of sewerage pipes are laid. Just listen to this. But suddenly they found a huge rock on the national highway, on the state highway road. So they have buried it back. So यार्डीन काम केलें तें फुकट गेलें. येवाडीन काम केलें तें सारकें जालें ना. आनी हुंय सिवरेज पायपलायन गायल्या, that is from Round Ford to Naveli Church behind. ती सिवरेज पायप लीक जाताय. म्हणजे अजून पासून ती कमिशन केली नाही, पण बायल उदक भितर वयता. हाल्या तर कमिशन केलें, ती भितरली घाण भायर वयतली. So they are all substandard work, haphazard work, some are this. So all these crores and crores of rupees, हिंगा ते दिल ना ताणी. नावेली सिवरेज म्हणून फक्त एकूच बाग सांगला. But total Naveli constituency is now dug. Nearly 100 crores of rupees roads are destroyed. I don't know. I am going to come back to you to restore these roads. A beautiful network of roads. But the point is, when you have dug it, there is no agency who can coordinate the works of JICA, Sewerage Corporation and this. Can Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable PW Minister make a visit to my constituency? I'll take you. Because it's a very serious matter. When government is spending crores of rupees and the scheme is not going to see the light of the day, then it is very, very serious. There must be proper inquiry. There must be proper investigations. And these 3 agencies which are working there are, I think, at least 15, 20 contractors. So if I ask one fellow, they are saying, that is not my work is here. If I ask one department, they are saying, this is not my work is there. Now what the Honorable Leader of Opposition said is that pumping station. Now they won't be able to pump unless until the sewerage is connected. So will the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable PW Minister give an assurance to this House? Now these works are already 3 years past. They are still in this. When it will be completed? Whether there will be some agency who will coordinate with this. And I want an assurance that the Honorable Minister will come there. I will take you around so that you will know the realities, the practical realities. Thank you.